Hola. It's Friday the 8th. We start off with strength day, landmine hack squats, 10 reps, 5 each side. You would probably partner up on the landmines. It's just easier to go, and it helps them get on and out if they need the struggle with that. Yeah, so remember the torso kind of stays straight up and down with that hack squat, and we really, again, we're focusing on the kind of the quads positioning there, and you can take a look at the video exactly on how to do a landmine hack squat. But you'll do 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Same load on each of these. We're not changing the load, partially because it's good to have that higher rep, partially because it's a pain when you get two people to change a load on a landmine. So make sure they understand that. If they make a mistake, they can obviously adjust the load, but the intent here is not to. We'll keep it an RPE for the first one of 3, and that should make it challenging by the time we get towards the end, right? Last week of hot off the presses, right? 3 press, 6 push press, adding a tiny bit of weight from last week. They should be pretty familiar. If they're not, 60 to 70% of their press max is where they start, right? They should have at least 3 left in the tank. If they don't, they're probably not gonna make it. This will be the last week of this, so we're done. And then we finish off with 7, right? So it's 7 chin-ups, 7 single arm push press each, 7 dumbbell box step overs, 7 single arm each snatches, 7 rounds, okay? This should be relatively quick. It should be one set type things. We shouldn't be spending forever to do it. So if you pick the right thing, like chin-ups is where a lot of people will go off the rails, and they'll do stuff that they can do 2s and 3s of and try to do it in 2 and 3 sets, and that's not what we're looking for here. One set, right? People are usually a little bit better about the dumbbell. In fact, they sometimes go too light on that, so make sure that we cruise from there. And then it's a single dumbbell step over, however they want to hold it, as long as it's in their hand, is completely fine. But it should be a relatively fast thing where we're kind of moving one set. The idea is we're limited by conditioning here, not our weight. And so we should have a 14-minute cap, which gives us 2 minutes per round on this, which should be plenty of time if we're moving quickly enough.